I am trying this viral cinnamon roll trick. Let's see what happens. Okay, I am taking the bottom of my pan and oiling it. And I am carefully, apparently not carefully enough, taking my cinnamon rolls out. Oh, they don't fit in the pan here. Okay, so no, let's try it this way. Let's try just taking them apart just a little bit. Wow, they must have gotten new cutters because these are cut much more evenly than they have been recently. Okay, so now we're going to throw this in the oven and just bake it and see what happens. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. All right, I have Offspring begging for these cinnamon rolls. So how I made sure the center was done was I used a digital thermometer, and when it got up to 190 to 200, that's how you know the center of all of your yeast breads are done. So this is made with yeast bread. All right. And now the yummy part. Forgot I was going to take it out of the pan before I frost it. Oops, mistakes were made. Oh my goodness, I think this actually works. Okay, so we're gonna dig in. My son keeps asking, are the cinnamon rolls done? Are the cinnamon rolls done? Are the cinnamon rolls done? Oh, look at that beautifulness. Yes, the cinnamon rolls got done. Oh my goodness, my boys are gonna love this one. BJ thinks she'll get extra brownie points for being crippled.
Ooh, what is this?
So Mike had surgery. It's a cinnamon roll loaf.
Yum.
Okay, so tell me what you think.
Ooh. Mmm.
Is it delicious?
Mmm. That's really good. Yum. What do you mean it's a loaf?
I baked it in a loaf pan instead of individually.
See it over there. It's like a block of cinnamon roll.
It's a block of cinnamon roll. Okay, so Mike
really good.
Mike is like this for the next 7 weeks.
Yep. Can't get out of the chair.
Can't get out of the house.
Yep.
Please pray for me.
Me too.
Oh, wait, we're supposed to be praying for you? Yes, BJ, the cinnamon rolls are ready. What did I do to the cinnamon rolls? I made a big cinnamon roll for you. Aren't you excited? This is why I don't do anything fun and exciting, because my children do not appreciate the fun and exciting ways to make these things. It looks like a super cinnamon roll loaf. That's exactly what it is, a super cinnamon roll loaf. Okay, grab you a plate. I was gonna see what you think of the super cinnamon roll loaf. I won't get you on camera, just your hands. Okay, get what you want. Well, you just ate the center. Is the center good? Is this disturbing, not having just the cinnamon rolls? A little bit. My family just likes things one way and that's it. What did you just say, son?
It's alright.
My son said, and I quote, Ooh, that's pretty good, right? Isn't that what you just said, son?
It's pretty good.
That's what I said, yes.